Bear Snores On is our book today. In a cave, in the woods, in the deep, dark glare, through the long winter sleeps a great big brown bear. Cuddled in a heap with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day and he sleeps through the night. The cold wind howls with a mighty growl sound. And a teeny tiny mouse with the pitter-pat of tippy toes creeps and crawls in the cave from the fluffy cold snow. And Mouse squeaks, "Too damp, too dark, too dark." So he lights the wee twigs with a small but big spark. The coal pips and pops and the wind doesn't stop, but Bear snores on. Two glowing eyes, sneaky peeky in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And the hare hops in. "Hi," Mouse said, "Hare, long time no see." So they popped little corn and brewed some black tea. Mouse sips a wee slurp. Hare burps a big burp. But Bear snores on. A badger comes by, sniff sniffs at the air. "I smell yummy yum yums. Prepare, can we share?" "I've brought honey and nuts," Badger said with a grin. "Let's divvy them up and cozy down in our den." And they nibbled and they munched with a chew chomp crunch, but Bear snored on. The gopher and the mole in the tunneled up from the floor when they came across the raven fluttering through the door. Mole mutters, "What a night, what a storm," says the raven, and everyone clutters in the great bear den. They tweet and they twitter and they chat and they chitter, but Bear still snores on. In the caves, in the woods, a bear who was sleeping through the party in his very own lair Hare strokes the fire, Mouse seasons the stew. The smell of pepper flakes makes the bear Achoo! He blows and he sneezes, the whole crowd freezes. And the bear wakes up. Bear growls and he snarls, Bear roars and he rumbles, Bear jumps and he stomps and he growls and he grumbles. You've snuck in my lair and you've had so much fun, but me, I was sleeping and now I have none. He whimpers and moans and he growls and he groans, and Bear blubbers on. Mouse squeaks, "Don't fret, don't fuss, look, see, we've popped some corn and brewed you some tea." Bear nibbles and gobbles, he sighs with delight, and he spins the tall tales through the blustery night. And when the sun peeks up on this crispy, clear day. Bear can't sleep. But his friends snore on. Red Rover, my book is now over. Bye, everyone.